So guys, this is one of the reasons why I said that if you don't have the actual NVIDIA drivers for your gaming laptop, it's going to be affecting so many things in your laptop. Okay. Now, this is MSI 1070 8 gig dedicated. And now I installed all the necessary softwares, but I'm trying to use it to make a video. And after installing OBS, and I tried to record the screen of my OBS, this is what it's showing. This is OBS. The OBS is installed, but once I click on start recording, which is the screen record, I want to screen record the laptop screen. Once I click on screen recording, this is what pops up. You guys can see that is telling me that the installed NVIDIA driver does not support this MVENC version. Try updating the driver. Okay, now this is the reason why I told you guys NVIDIA drivers, the actual NVIDIA drivers for your laptop or for your desktop is very, very, very important, because this might affect most of the softwares not to work properly. And this is an example that I'm showing you guys. You guys can see that. Okay, so I'm going to update this now so that you guys can see. Now, for you to solve this problem, what you need to do is okay, let me click on update driver. Okay, click on update driver. It's going to take us to NVIDIA website. Make sure your system is connected to the internet before you do this, so that to redirect you to NVIDIA website. I'm going to put the link to this NVIDIA driver website in the description below this video. It's quite easy. You can go to Google and type NVIDIA drivers and it will pop up, but I'm going to put the link in the description below this video. Now, it has taken us to the website. First thing you need to do, we're going to solve this together so that you guys can see exactly what I'm saying. You can see that OBS cannot record my screen, and even if you want to stream with OBS, it's not going to be. There are a whole lot of things that these drivers can affect in your laptop. Now, for you to know the exact card NVIDIA drivers that your gaming laptop is using, I've made this video before, but I just want to solve this problem now. So you to click on this search and type on Task Manager. This is Task Manager. Click on Enter. Immediately you open Task Manager, automatically Task Manager will be on Process. Now this is Process. You guys can see. This is Process. Okay. Now let's navigate to Performance. Sometimes you see the performance by this left-hand corner of your laptop. Now where we're going to go is GPU. GPU is what is giving this problem. The wrong drivers for this GPU is installed in this system. Now you guys can see that this system is 8 gig dedicated. Now if you go up here, you see that this is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 with Max-Q design. All right. So we already know the NVIDIA card. So what we need to do is come over here, product type, GeForce. Now product series, you have to look for 10 series. Okay. Now this is 10 series. Click on 10 series. 10 series is already here. Now, GeForce, not 1080, is 1070. Click on 1070, not Ti. All right, it's 1070. Now, Windows, this is Windows 10. And for you to know which Windows you're using, come to this search and type system information. I've done this video before, but let me solve this problem now. Now you guys can see that this is Windows 10 Pro. So we already know the Windows by checking out the system information. So Windows 10 Pro is already here. Okay. So game ready, yes. Now click on search. Once you click on search, allow this. This is the driver. Click on download and download this driver. Okay. Download. Okay, it's telling me to save. Yes, save this driver. You guys can see that this driver is now downloading on this system. So we have to wait for this driver to finish downloading. Once this driver finishes downloading, I'm going to install this driver and we are going to try the OBS and see if it's going to rectify it or not. I told you guys that the actual and exact NVIDIA drivers for your gaming laptop is very, very important. If you don't install the exact version of NVIDIA drivers in your laptop, it's going to affect a whole lot of things, not just only OBS, both game, both deface, most of the graphics, most of the high graphics software that you're using in your system, not even the high, lower ones, is going to be affected. Running security scan, okay. Download is almost done, okay. So now I have downloaded this software, the NVIDIA drivers. Click on folder and go to download. This is the driver. Double click on it and let's wait for this to come up. It's loading. Okay, yes. Okay. Now this is installing. After installing, I think what I need to do is just to go to OBS and close this OBS. Okay, let's allow the installation to finish. Once we are done with the installation, I'm going to restart the system. And once we restart the system, I'm going to try and record with OBS. So close and close. You can see the NVIDIA driver is installing in this system. So let's just give it a small time for it to finish. Okay, I agree. Continue next. And preparing to install. So let me go through the installation process. It's quite very easy. Just install next. Now finish. Once you're done installing this driver, the next thing you need to do is to restart this system. Restart the system. Okay. Once you restart the system, then you try one or two few things. We're going to try the OBS, and you guys are going to confirm for yourself why the exact NVIDIA drivers is very, very important in your system. So guys, I am done restarting the system after the installation. What I need to do now is open OBS, which is the reason why I am updating this driver. I open OBS and click on start recording. Now you guys can see that OBS Studio has started recording this video. And let's click on stop to be sure that the video was recorded actually. Now click on any folder and go to video. No, go to video. Yes. Now this is the video we just recorded now. Okay. So okay. And you guys can see that OBS Studio has started recording. And let's click on stop. So guys, you can see what I just recorded, just few seconds video that I just recorded, and the OBS Studio is now working. So I hope you guys learned from this video what the wrong NVIDIA driver can cause on your system. I just want to share this with you guys so that you guys will know how important it is for you to have the exact and the correct NVIDIA drivers for your gaming laptop. So that is it. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuike Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in a daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, if you want to be getting updates on my videos, make sure you hit the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.